This is my top 5 list of the first things you should be considering once you get your new welder. Number 1 on the list, a good helmet. This is from Harbor Freight. It's a Vulcan. It's got a nice big viewing area. Like this helmet a lot. I use it quite a bit. I also have this Lincoln auto darkening helmet that works quite well. A little bit smaller of a viewing area. And then this is more of a old school fixed shade helmet. So not used too much today. And then these are just some goggles that I picked up that are shade 5 that work really well for plasma cutting. Number 2 on the list is welding gloves. If there's 2 things that you're going to get to start welding, you're going to need a helmet and you're going to need gloves before anything else. These are some of the welding gloves that I have. These are some from Harbor Freight. They're pretty good. Use those a lot for grinding and other stuff. These Lincolns I've used quite a bit. They're pretty well worn. They've been a good pair of gloves. And our captain sent me out these. I received them today. They were impressed with my review video, and as a thank you, they sent me out a new pair of gloves, and they're pretty nice. Well made. So can't wait to use them. Number 3 on my list is going to be a good grinder. I have a battery powered one here. I have a plug-in one here. You can cut, grind, put a flap disc on it, whatever you want to do. You can put a wire wheel on it if you want to. And you really do just about anything you want to do with metal with a grinder. So it's number 3. Number 4 on my list is going to be welding clamps. I use them quite a bit. Mainly these ones here. They're inexpensive. I don't buy the super expensive ones because you're welding with them anyway. But these are extremely handy. This one right here. And I have one of the longer ones here for sometimes if you need to get in and reach something further up on the table. Sometimes even a C-clamp. These here, these are supposed to be welding clamps. I hardly ever use them for anything. So they just kind of sit. But that's number 4 on my list, welding clamps. And number 5, rounding out the list here, is things to keep sparks off of you. Eye protection, shield, safety glasses, which I often wear under my welding helmet. We got some sleeves here to go over your arms, keep sparks off. You got a welding apron here, which is if you're wearing clothes that you don't want to get messed up, or you want to weld while you're sitting. Apron can a lot of times keep the sparks off your lap, which is nice. And of course, a welding hat to keep sparks off your head. That's my top 5 list. Thank you for coming and watching, and see you in the next one.